show you how I pack for conventions. This is by no means a how-to video because I'm not a pro, but I have been doing it for quite a while now. So I'm just going to show you my little tips and tricks, things that help me stay organized when I'm packing for conventions, how to not forget certain items, how to make sure your costumes stay secure, safe, cushioned, and all that jazz. Okay, so before you even start packing anything, the first thing to do would be to make a pack list. So here's my pack list for the upcoming convention. That's tomorrow. We leave tomorrow for Anime North. So basically what I did was I made this list a couple days ago. We briefly touched on this in our other video, how to cosplan, things that you could put in your book relating to cosplay. But now we're going to be focusing specifically on the pack list. So what I do for my pack list is I write down the characters that I'm cosplaying in the order that I'm cosplaying them. So I did Belle, Hermione, and then Rapunzel. And so for each of those cosplays, I write down every single item, trying not to forget anything that I'm gonna need for my cosplay, even including the teeny tiny things. And then also if I have like specific things that I need to like style my hair, I'll also put that under the characters. So for Hermione, I put curling iron, hairspray, bobby pins, elastics, and then beside the characters, I have a section for extras. So this is where I put all my normal stuff just for myself or extra stuff that I just need in general to bring with me. So I put like the steamer. We have a little handheld steamer that we bring to all of our conventions. I put like a hairbrush and a comb, my toiletries, my makeup and my false lashes, and then sunscreen because it's actually going to be relatively sunny this weekend. And then for instance, if I'm having one of my sisters bring something for me, I'll also write that under like little reminders section. So like remind Carm to bring this, you know, just so I don't forget that I need something from her too. And it always helps to color code everything and have little highlighters and markers. Definitely helps me stay organized. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started on packing. Okay, so please do not mind the absolute mess that is my cosplay room right now, but here I am downstairs, and basically what I'm gonna do is look at my list and grab all the items that I need from my cosplay room to bring upstairs to pack. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to lay everything out on my bed. As you can see, I've already got Rapunzel in this handy dandy laundry bag. I use laundry bags to pack my cosplays to not only have them secure and well organized, but it also protects them from dirt that's inside the suitcase or moving around or rubbing against other things in the suitcase. So I'm going to do the same thing with Yule Ball Hermione. So for shoes, what I like to do is I like to stuff something in the toe so that it stays secure, and then I'll just wrap them in their own individual bag like this. It definitely saves space to wrap each shoe individually. And then for small things like underwear and accessories, I'll pack them in these compartments here. And then what I'll do is I'll take my color-coded pen and check off things as I pack them. For toiletries, I have this handy dandy little pouch that contains all the stuff that I use at conventions. So I have shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, body wash, body cream, a little loofah, my toothbrush, and I even have like a little perfume in here. So literally I just keep this all as is, always. So I don't have to keep repacking it because I'm pretty much literally going to a convention every weekend. So I just keep this as is and then I'll just grab it and pack it when I need to. Okay, so for cosplay makeup, what I do is I put all of my makeup on my bed. And then what I'll do is I'll pop up a picture of the character or a past photo that I've taken as that character super up close so that I can see exactly which makeup I used or which makeup I will use. And this part definitely takes a long time because I have to go through the character's face and all the makeup that I'll need, every single product, because I don't want to forget anything. So I like to take my time with this part. And then what I like to do is I'll make little piles. This pile is going to be for Belle, Hermione, and Rapunzel. And this pile up here is just general, so foundation, concealer, eyelash curler, primer, powder, brushes, stuff like that. So basically then what I'll do is I'll pack my actual backpack that's going to be on my person with all the stuff that I'm gonna need to have with me when I travel. So basically I have all my electronics, my chargers, my portable charger, the charger for the portable charger, my charger for the camera that I'm using right now to film this, my phone charger, some headphones for travel, lip balm, and then my makeup because we're going to be leaving at like 6 a.m. and I'm going to be doing my makeup for Belle on the bus. So that's all going to go in my backpack here along with some essentials like some snacks, some water, my wallet, my makeup bag. Well, it has all my necessities in here like my pills, my meds, stuff like that. So there you have it. This would be everything I'm bringing with me to Anime North. Obviously I wouldn't normally have this. This is Belle. So this is what I carried Belle in. It's this vintage garment carrier that I found just from the thrift store for like $6.99. It holds the whole dress really well. The only thing is it's really heavy, so it gets kind of cumbersome to carry around, especially traveling by train or by bus. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do for cosplay. So I'm really happy that all my stuff fit in just this small suitcase. Normally I would have like a bigger suitcase and no garment bag, but this works, and so that's that. That is it for the How I Pack for Conventions video. I hope you learned a lot. I hope this kind of helps you when you're packing for your convention. I also didn't pack any wigs. This is because I'm being Belle and Hermione for 2 days who I actually don't wear a wig for, I just use my natural hair. So that worked out. And for Rapunzel, I'm actually buying the short brown wig when I get to the convention. So that's why I didn't pack any wigs, but normally I would just keep them in their wig bag with the wig net, the plastic bag, and then just put them on top of everything in the suitcase so they don't really get squished. For Rapunzel, my braided wig, that's a different story altogether. That wig is able to come apart into 2 parts. So what I do is I carry the base head part on a head in a cardboard box so that it doesn't get crushed or anything like that, with some bubble wrap around it. And then the braid, I'll carry it in a bag with lots and lots of bubble wrap wrapped around the braid. So that wig is actually really hard to travel with. That's why I tend to limit my conventions that I do with that wig. I also really want to be Rapunzel this weekend, so that's why I'm going to be wearing the brown wig. Anyway, sorry if I rambled. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!